What's up you guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do a back walkover. So let's get started. Okay, so before we start to learn this, you should already be able to do a bridge. If you can't do a bridge, you can go find any tutorial on YouTube to learn how to do a bridge. Okay, so first we're going to learn how to do the kickover because that's probably the most important part. So you're going to start by going in a bridge and walking your hands to your head, to your feet, and trying to get your feet and hands as close together is going to help. And then go up on your tiptoes and kick over as hard as you can. Now a lot of people struggle with this, so just keep practicing until you got it down. Also, you're going to want to put more of your weight on your arms instead of on your legs because that will make it easier to lift off of your legs. Okay, so now we need to learn the back bend, so go to a high surface like a bed and try falling onto the back bend on that and then walking your hands down that surface and then lower your surface and do the same thing. And then go over to a wall and walk your hands down the wall, trying to get all the way down to the ground. Now you're ready to try it on the ground. If you want to, you can put some pillows under you so that way you're not as scared. Now try kicking over from the standing up back bend and practice this over and over until you're really comfortable with it. Once you feel ready, you can step your foot slightly forward and try the back bend again. This is going to be much harder than when they're together, but it will be easier to get more momentum. And then you can move your foot a little further away and do it again. And this will get you more momentum when you're going backwards. Now, some people like to lift their leg all the way up when they do it, but I find that hard. So if that's easier for you, you can do that, but I just like to start with my foot on the ground. And if you don't kick over the first try, it's okay, just keep trying. We all mess up. Okay, so enough of the voiceover. Now I wanted to tell you guys a few things that might help you a little bit. So, as you saw in the voiceover, some people like to lift their leg up all the way and then go in the back bend. That personally doesn't help me. I like to put my foot on the ground but still in front and lift it up right before my hands hit. So watch as my foot lifts up right before my hands hit the ground. So you want to make sure that if you're starting with your foot on the ground that your hands hit and it's like this. Not like this, like this. So make sure of that. And also one thing that I had a big problem with when I was learning my back walkover was I cannot balance. So I used to kick over with this leg right here, but as you saw I kicked over with this leg. That's because I could never go into the back bend with the leg that I kick over with forward. So if you have that problem, you will get used to it. Like I can barely even kick over with this leg anymore, even though it's the leg I used to kick over with. Now I just do it with this leg. So if you're having that problem where you can't put your other leg forward, but that's the leg you kick over with, just keep practicing and you will eventually get it. So that's all for the video. I hope this helped you get your back walkover, and if it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any other tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!